In 2026, the Sagrada Familia finally completes its vertical ascent, with the completion of the Jesus Christ Tower standing 172.5 meters high. The basilica becomes the tallest church on Earth. Construction began 144 years ago, when the site was surrounded by open farmland. Today, the monument is fully integrated into Barcelona's dense urban landscape. In 1926, Gaudi was struck and killed by a tram. At the time of his death, only 15 to 25% of the project had actually been built. Completely avoided standard right angles in his designs. Instead, he based his entire structural logic entirely on nature, using a system called ruled geometry. This diagram shows the specific, abstract shapes required by that system: hyperboloids, paraboloids, and conoids. Manually calculating these curves is famously slow and difficult. In the 1990s, the team adopted Rhino 3D software. This allowed them to translate Gaudi's analog curves into buildable data. By feeding this geometry into CNC milling machines and 3D printers, the team could recreate the shattered models with digital precision. Digitizing the fragments turned a manual stone carving challenge into a high-tech manufacturing process. The ultimate test of this methodology was the Tower of Jesus Christ. A stone spire at this height faces two major threats: intense lateral wind pressure and the immense dead weight of the masonry itself. The solution was tension stone. This cross-section shows internal stainless steel rods threading through the stone blocks, pulling them into a single, rigid structural module. Engineers prefabricated these pre-stressed panels off-site and hoisted them into place, where they were fitted together with industrial precision. Realizing Gaudi's 100-year-old vision required the project to adopt techniques common in 21st century aerospace engineering. The tower's completion coincides with a unique cluster of 10th Pope Leo XIV will arrive in Barcelona to bless the tower and lead a mass commemorating the architect's death. Towers are now complete. The church remains an active construction site. Work on the ground-level glory facade will continue through 2034. Inside, the experience is profound. The nave is the physical result of a 144-year effort, involving generations of human expertise. Gaudi famously said his client was in no hurry. The 2026 completion proves that a clear vision can survive tragedy and eventually redefine a city's skyline.